Hello friends, welcome to Ranjas Exports. We deal with cricket balls and hockey balls. Let me introduce you to our different kind of cricket practice balls. The first one in yellow color is cricket machine bowling balls. This ball is perfect for every bowling machine that's in the market. It comes in two weights. One is 140 to 145 grams and another is 110 to 120 grams. Its fluorescent color is very attractive and it gives a good bounce. It's very durable and it gives unlimited batting practice to batsmen. And it's perfect for grass pitches and even the cement pitches or the matting pitches. So now practice unlimited in the nets with Ranjas cricket bowling balls. Our next ball is cricket red punch balls. This is a new ball in the market with waterproof qualities. It gives you good swing, good spin and it bounces very good. It's also perfect for all kind of pitches, whether it is grass or cement, or even you can play on mat as well. In the same category is red and white cricket punch ball. It has all the qualities of red cricket punch ball and you can play with these balls in early morning hours when there is dew in the ground or the grass is very wet. So play unlimited cricket with new technology balls. You can buy these balls online. We have provided the link to buy these balls in the description of the video. You can click on the link and go to our online shopping center. You also subscribe us for our coming videos and get the latest information of new technology balls. Thank you.